Come with me while I change my oil on the 2020 BMW M340i. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. Okay, I just broke it loose. This is Loki gonna be at first oil change on M340. Oh yeah. Holy shit, that shit is spitting. We're gonna take this plastic ring off, top and replace it with the new one, and same thing with the washer with the old one. And the new one in. Now it's time to put the screw back in. The oil plug hole, let's do it. That shit good. So the M340 takes about 6.9 quarts of oil. So time to fill her up. And now the only thing is, take this off and put the cap back on and measure your oil in the car. Let's go. And when you're done, you can go to the car and measure your oil, check engine oil, make sure you're at a level surface and park for neutral, and begin measuring. And if you did everything right, the screen should look like this. And that's about it for the M340 oil change.